It's me, IP. Welcome back to this channel. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. It is literally just a quick unboxing of my new laptop that I got. And a couple of things that I want to point out is I recently started a gaming channel, if anyone is interested in that. It's called PEARSON Games, and it is actually linked on my channel if you're interested. But yeah, without further ado, let's readjust all the cameras and get the laptop on this little table. I'm not sure if you can see that, but let's crack on with the unboxing. Right, I have actually been using this laptop, so I have unboxed it, so I've just put it back in the box the best as possible. But it is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with 512 gigabytes of storage. It's a 2020 model, and yeah, been using it the past week and I found it absolutely great. So the actual box that it's in is actually twice as thick as like a normal Apple box. So they're going up market on their boxes recently. Let's peel the lid off and show you what's inside. So the lid is actually coming off, just taking a while. Lid gone. So on opening the box, this is the first thing that you will see. Little pull tab. It's normally here, but obviously I popped it in wrong. So just pull the little tab here, and obviously the laptop will come up. We'll just pop that aside just 1 second. So inside the box you get this cable, which I couldn't fit back in that hole, so I'm just going to show you it now. So the cable is a micro USB-C to, oh no, it's not a micro, is it? It's two USB-C cables, one goes in the wall and one goes in the laptop. It's fairly long. The next thing that you will see in the box is a little pull tab here. So pulling that will obviously reveal your charger. So you have, as I said, USB-C brick, as well as plug for the wall. And you'll also see this little pack that has things like your user information and your Apple stickers. But strangely, on this model, you get silver Apple stickers with this computer. So as I said, these are actually silver, if you can tell. So I'm just gonna pop the box to the side and pull out the laptop. Obviously this is the laptop that we just pulled out. If you were to flip the laptop on its back like this, the pull tab that we use to pull it out the box, you pull this back, obviously it flaps. You can then either grab on to the laptop and slide it out here like so. Okay, so this is the laptop facing you. I'm sorry if there's any marks on there. Upon lifting the lid, it should come on automatically, as you can see. So that is the laptop on. It has Touch ID here. So if I were to just put I do already have my finger on here, by the way. So touch it. There you go. Opened up my vlog channel. I do find it a little strange with the touch bar. If I zoom in here, if you want to access things like your menu, things like that, there is a little tiny arrow right here. You have to click that, and then that brings up your main bar, but it doesn't always stay there. So if you were to click on the apps, see how it's gone away. You have to like pull it back and click it again to get the bar to reappear. So this is my new laptop. This is what I am editing. This video that you're watching now, I'm going to edit it on here, and sometime in the near future I'm going to be comparing this like actual laptop to my new laptop, well, my old laptop. So sometime in the future I am going to be showing a comparison between this laptop and my old laptop, which is 2012 15-inch. So if you're interested in things like that, pop back to the channel within the next couple of weeks. That should be up. I've had this laptop about a week and I haven't really had the chance to use it yet because I'm trying to edit and upload pretty much everything off my old laptop before I switch to this one, and it's going okay for the time being. So all I've really been using it for is to watch YouTube videos and do the occasional bit of Sims on there because I do like the Sims, but I just find it hard to play sometimes on a laptop. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little unboxing. I will be doing a comparison, like I said. I think I will be making some gaming videos on this laptop of The Sims on my gaming channel, which link should be in the description for that. I really do appreciate anyone who likes, shares and subscribes to my channel. I make videos about pretty much anything and everything that I'm doing, so if you're interested in things like that, then my channel is definitely for you. I do a couple of car tours and a motorhome tour if anyone's interested in that as well. So I've got Corsa, it's got sat-nav in there, which I did a little video on as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this little video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.